Story 5, Difficult Words. Like. I like the English class. Like. It's good for me. I like it. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Read the story. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Teacher. I am your teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Very funny, very snowy, very big. V-E-R-Y. Very. How do you get to school? H-O-W. How. Name. N-A-M-E. Name. Of. O-F. Of. Today. T-O-D-A-Y. Today. Her. H-E-R. Her name is Sam. Her. H-E. He. He is the teacher. They. T-H-E-Y. They. She. S-H-E. She. Many. M-A-N-Y. Many things. I have many coins. I have many coins. Many. It's a lot. M-A-N-Y. Many. What? W-H-A-T. What is your name? Do. D-O. Do. What do you like? Where do you live? Do. And the. T-H-E. The. Quiz. Practice. You tell me the word. Of. They. Teacher. She. Today. Like. Read. Right. Her. Very. How. He. Many. What? Do. The. Name. Watch again to practice.